we're taking a look at is PHOT. This is one that was requested, currently trading at 0082. Now, this one right here, I know we went over in a previous stream, but this again, I mean, we did a video on this a long time ago. I did a video on this, and it is still one of the most viewed videos on Investors Hangout YouTube channel. So let me briefly see if I can scoot back and see if I can pull this one up when we did this last.
Yeah, that's the one that came back from the Grays, which is like an extreme rarity.
Yeah, so yeah, exactly. So we talked about this on September 29th, 2016, PHOT 006 it was traded at, and I said it was going to go up from there. So that was the 29th. It's up from there. But let's take a zoom back. Yeah, that was a nice one, huh? Damn, dude. Right here. So anybody that's watching this video, you know, investorshangout.com/live. Check out our live stream when we do these. I talked about it right here when it was coming outside that lower Bollinger Band again, because that's what we do. All right. And look what happened. Bam. It took off. So congratulations to everybody that caught that. Let's see what the percents would have been. I said 006 is what I, 0.006 is when I talked about it last. Again, it's all verifiable in our last streams. You can just go to that date, go to PHOT, and you can hear it for yourself. That's why I keep notes. 02.
Hey, what was the thing? Give me the numbers. I'll give you the gain right now.
Yeah, I already pulled it up.
Oh, did you? Okay.
Yeah, I got this calculator I have opened on my screen.
Okay.
So that was 02. All right, 0210. All right, so 006 is when we talked about it, and I said it was going to start heading up. You know, like I said, we're both not financial advisors. We just call it how we see it. Try to help out people to kind of give them, hey, a little bit. Hey, you might want to start here, but make sure you check us out and join in on it, because you're gonna get a few things you can learn about. So over on September 29th, 006, all the way up to that highest point, 3 weeks later, at 0210, was a 250% gain. So congratulations to everybody that watched that stream and kept an eye on it. I mean, just in the short term, just in the 1, 2, 3, 4 trading days, we won't even go off the drop into the spike even higher. But 0160, 0160, just in those 3 days is 166% gains. So congratulations to everybody. Over here, I am going to add this calculator. Over in the live stream. So for everybody that's there listening in, if you want to see the calculator that I use, I just posted it over there. So if you click on that inside the post, you'll see the link. That is the one that I use. I mean, as far as simplicity, it's there. So I just want to add that in there. We won't go over too much, Joe. I mean, we've went over this one so many times, unless you want to add anything. But as far as the near term, if you can break, I'm not throwing this one, oh, this one's going up like I did the last time, because I want to see this 10-day at 009. So I'm going to write on here, if 0091 falls, again, that means if it closes above there, I want to see the 20, then 30. But if this one starts going above that 10-day simple moving average right now, that's currently at 0091, if it breaks through there, I think that you're going to see the 20-day at 1 cent pretty quick, and then you can start your climb up from there. So that's all I got to add for that one, Joe. I'm done with the technical analysis.
David, what day was it that we talked about that stock?
September 29th.
Okay.
Was the last time.
So last time we were talking about it, remember there was absolutely no press releases on it or anything. Since the last time, it was a press release on October 27th, and that was basically Growlife CEO Marco Herge receives contract extension. So that right there, they're basically at least informing us that the current CEO got a contract extension, so he's going to be sticking around for another 2 years after the extension discussions. Um, and then they basically went in and discussed, like, Marco Hedgeye has led PHOT back to active trading from the gray sheet market, effectively maintained position and constructive relationships with shareholders, customers, and suppliers, and enabled PHOT to continue operating through the company's most challenging times. Stated Growlife's Compensation Committee Chairman and Board Member Michael Fasci, I'm probably butchering his name. Sorry about that. Therefore, with the employment agreement, Growlife will maintain management continually for the next 2 years under Marco's leadership. So, I mean, now at least they have that behind them, and now they just kind of move forward into like their actual business. Because I mean, I'm sure that right there to get back from the gray like that, that was an impressive move. But now, I mean, you got to see what's going on with the company in general.
Right.
See if they're bringing the filings. Oh, they started to do their filings too. Nice. Or they've been.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
I mean,
there's a lot of different filings. I mean, I definitely pay attention to it. Look into it. Do your research.
right.
It's
So
anybody's guess. There's a lot of different companies in this market right now that are going places. But I mean, these guys are obviously determined enough to like stick with things that
right.
make
So
it happen.
congratulations, everybody. I mean, that's a huge gain for, if you guys were watching the streams. I know I want to say that stream that when we went over this had like 3,000 plus views. So, and that was at the time that we did it. So keep that in mind. I mean, there's a lot of people that definitely paid attention to it. So again, congratulations. That is for stock ticker symbol PHOT. The stock message board link will be in the description below this video, along with investorshangout.com/live to see our next live stream. We've got the date above each time after the show when the next one will be. So that is it for this one.